Yo, welcome back to our video. Today we're gonna looking for toys, and then look, this is the birds, and then the name of the bird is lovebird. Look, wow. Okay, guys, let's go to find a lot of toys. Okay, bye bye, lovebird. I'll see you around. Wow, look, what is that? Oh, look! Wow, we found one. The toys, guys. Oh, this is for look the toys, guys. Can you see? Wow, what is that? Ooh, there's a lot of toys over there. Let's go. Collect all the toys over there. Wow, wow, wow. Yay. Can you see? There's a lot of toys around here. Wow, this is awesome. Okay, let's collect all the toys. Yay. Wow. This is the place to collect all of them. Wow. So excited. Wow. Let's put it in here. Okay, one by one. Let's take this. This container truck. Wow, there's two. Wow, so cool. And then this one, this is also the container truck. Look, this expedition car. Look, there's three of them in here, yellow, blue, and red. Wow, very cool. And then this is T-Rex, guys. Look, wow, oh yeah, this is a superhero. We call it Ultraman. Wow, so big. Wow, so strong. Wow, let's put it in. And then this is the cars. Look, there's a lot of the cars. And then motorbike and bicycle. Wow, let's call it one by one. This is compactor. Same. Very cool. And then this is a firefighter car. Look, this is police car, firefighter car, the blue color. Wow, yeah. And then this is truck forklift. Wow, orange color, so cool. And then this is haul truck, the yellow color. Look, wow, so cool. And then this is wheel loader, guys. Wow, see, the blue one. Yeah. There's a lot of toys today. And then this is Beko. Wow, the orange colors. Wow. And then this is water tank car. There's a look, you can see water tank cars. And then blue, and then purple. Wow. And then this one, this is bicycle. It's yellow, and then this is the pink one. Wow, so beautiful. Bicycle. Okay, and then this one, this is Motogp. Wow, Motogp. Now in Indonesia, I think on March they're gonna have race of Motogp in Mandalika. Wow, so cool. This is really fast, 1000cc. Boom. Okay, guys. Wow, I think we already collect all the toys today. Look, already finished. Okay, guys. Wow, so cool, yeah, today. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. We're gonna looking for many toys like this and more. Okay, guys, thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and for comment. Okay, guys, I'll see you around, guys. Bye bye. Always smile. Bye bye.